Hello, good morning, students. In our earlier classes, we have completed practice exercise 3.1. If you have any problem, then you will discuss me. And if you not, then let's we start exercise 3.2, which is addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers. And this addition and subtraction are included in exercise 3.2. Okay, I think there is no any point to discuss. So come in practice exercise 3.2. Let's start. Please open your book and see question number 1. Add the following rational numbers. I think there is no any problem in this. First of all, you find the LCM and do this very easily. I think there is no any problem in this question. Okay. Question number 2, add the following rational numbers. Like question number 1, this may be solved. Question number 3, write the additive inverse of the following. Question number 4, subtract the following. Subtract the following. Question number 4. Practice exercise 3.2. Question number 1 is addition. Question number 2 is addition. Question number 3 is additive inverse. And question number 4, subtract the following. That means question number 4, subsection 1, A, 3 by 16 from minus 8 by 16. Three by 16. That means I think you solve this question. Okay. From last we subtract the first question. Okay. Minus 8 by 16. From minus 8 by 16 we had to subtract 3 by 16. Okay, I think you may solve this. Okay, question number 5, just like question number 4, question number 5 may be solved. Question number 6 is also very easy question. Now discuss about question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, what should be added to minus 11 by 19 to make the sum 3 by 5? Okay, what should be added to? That means minus 11 by 19 plus x by 1 to make the sum 3 by 5. Okay, that means if you add x in this minus 11 by 19, then your sum will be 3 by 5. Okay, if you find the value of x, then your answer will be completed. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 7 by 12. If one of the numbers is minus 2 by 3, then find the other. Okay. First number is given minus 2 by 3. But second number is not given. So this may be assumed x. And their sum will be the sum of two rational numbers is minus 7 by 12. Minus 7 by 12. And if you find the value of x, then you will get your answer. Okay? All questions must be solved by you. If answer is vary, then you will ask me. Okay? Question number 9. Question number 9. The sum of three rational numbers is 15 by 16. If two of the rational numbers are minus 7 by 8 and 3 by 4, find the third rational number. This is also very easy question. Suppose third rational number be x. Let third rational number be x. Then, according to question, minus 7 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus x by 1. That means this is the third. That means this is the third rational number. And their sum will be 15 by 16. I think you may solve this. This and this will be solved first. And if the sum of these two is subtracted from 15 by 16, then you will get your answer. Okay? Now question number 10. Question number 10 is, which is greater, the sum of first and second or the sum of third and fourth, and by how much? That means you have to find which is greater, the sum of first and second or the sum of third and fourth. So firstly, you have to find the sum of minus 3 by 10, sum of minus 3 by 10 and 7 by 9. Okay, solve this and find the addition and find the sum. Now 7 by 8 plus minus 15 by 24. And I think you will solve this. Which sum, that means this or this, which is greater? I think if you solve these two, then you will know very well, that means which is greater. And then by how much? So from greater, lesser will be subtracted, and then you get your answer. Okay, from greater sum, lesser sum will be subtracted, and you will find your answer. Okay, this is practice exercise 3.2. Do this all in your copy, and if you have any problem, then you will ask me. Okay, and if you not, then we will study practice exercise 3.3 in our next class. Okay, thank you.